Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am dealing with complex number for class 11th. यूपी बोर्ड एनसीबीएसई दोनों में है, एनसीईआरटी का अप्रूव्ड सिलेबस है, आईसीएसई बोर्ड में भी आता है. चैप्टर रिलेटेड विथ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर and quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस को हिंदी में बहुघातीय समीकरण कहते हैं और कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर को मिश्र संख्याएं. ओके, कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर मिश्र संख्याएं. व्हाट इज कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर? कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर क्या होता है? कोई भी नंबर, सपोज हाउ हम दो क्वेश्चन में लिख रहे हैं, वन इज रियल पोर्शन, अनदर इज इमेजिनरी पोर्शन. दिस इज अ नंबर z. इस z नंबर में एक नंबर है z containing two portion. This is the real portion, this is the imaginary portion. इमेजिनरी पोर्शन कहाँ आता है? मैथ्स में आपको ये पूछना पड़ेगा कब आता है. देखिए, जब कभी आप कोई quadratic equations, when you are going to solve the quadratic equations square वाली, then somehow the easiest example is for equation of square power square with power square, that somehow we get x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is a general formula from which we can find the value of x of or from equation with in the square of x. Somehow if b square is less than 4ac, in that case inside the bracket we'll get some negative value. Negative. This portion is imaginary. This portion is imaginary. Imaginary portion. Okay. Same is the condition over here. A number contains two portions. One is the real, total real, and another is the imaginary portion. And the addition of these two will be give us a complex number. Now z is the complex number because it is containing real as well as imaginary portion. Z is the complex number. So that complex number, how can we show this a portion? That real portion of z is equal to a and imaginary portion of z is equal to bi. Okay, this is the way to show. In that case, अब क्या होगा? In this case, if a is equal to 0 somehow, then this z become totally, purely, perfectly, purely, pure imaginary number. Imaginary number. Pure imaginary होगा because only z will be equal to b into I. Okay, purely imaginary number होगा. This is not a complex number, but now it become imaginary number. Imaginary क्योंकि pure number वाला, real number वाला portion 0 हो गया है because a is 0. Now if b is equal to 0, then imaginary portion become 0 and hence z become the pure real number. ये तो बात क्लियर है, वेरी इजी. इस पेज में अगर ये 0 हो जाता है then this portion z will become equal to bi. It means it is purely imaginary. if अगर ये वाला portion z हो जाता है then a is equal to 0 और अगर b is equal to 0 हो जाता है then this portion is equal to a when b is equal to 0. Then this is purely real number and presently it is complex number containing both real as well as imaginary portion. Now what will happen if we add, subtract multiply or divide two complex number. Okay, we will see here. I is the representation of imagination, imaginary. Always note, this is to be kept in your mind, ये आपको दिमाग में याद रखना पड़ेगा, that I is equal to minus 1 root of minus 1. I is equal to root of minus 1. Here, whatever the value it becomes, suppose somehow इसको ये greater है, ये वाला क्वेश्चन इससे बड़ा है, तो इमेजिनेशन में आएगा. मान लीजिए 200, 301, 5, 15, 16 आता है, तो हम उसको लिखेंगे. मान लीजिए इसको करने के बाद सपोजिंग समहाउ ये 16 आ जाता है, माइनस का 16 समहाउ आ जाता है, तो 16 को तो हम बाहर लिख लेंगे. इसके लिए हम आई लिखेंगे. इसके लिए माइनस अंदर रूट जो है, क्योंकि रूट की ये अंदर क्या बचा, माइनस रूट के अंदर माइनस 1 बचा, तो दिस कैन बी रिप्रेजेंट एज इन दिस वे. क्लियर? फिर से देखिए, x की वैल्यू इस फॉर्मूले से निकालने पे समहाउ हमने कहा ये ग्रेटर है, और इसकी वैल्यू जिसको घटाते हैं सब 16 आ जाती है इस पोर्शन के अंदर. तो ये 16 की वैल्यू हम 16 का रूट लेंगे, दैट कैन बी रिटन एज 4. 16 का रूट 4 हो गया, लेकिन माइनस 1 इनसाइड है, उसके लिए हम माइनस आई इस्तेमाल करेंगे. ये हट जाएगा, इसका रूट हो गया 4, 16 का रूट हो गया 4, और माइनस 1 बचा इनसाइड द bracket, or this can be represented by this 4 times I. Okay, because minus 1 is equal to root of minus 1 is equal to I होता है. Okay, ये क्लियर हुई बात. अब आप additions, subtractions and division and multiplication. First of all we are going to see addition. Addition of complex number. Additions of complex number. Suppose we are having two complex number. Z1 is equal to A plus BI, and Z2 is equal to A plus C plus DI. Here, यहाँ पे representation क्या है? That Z real portion of Z is equal to A, and imaginary portion of Z1 is equal to B. In this case, real portion of complex number Z2 is equal to C, and imaginary portion of complex number Z2 is equal to D. Okay? ये आपका presentation सही है, ये आपको देखना है. Now we are going to add. Summary की, then Z1 plus Z2. Capital Z. Suppose somehow this is the resultant. This will be equal to A plus BI plus C plus DI. Now imaginary portion can be collected at one place. This is A plus C, plus I can be taken as a common, plus B plus D. It means if we add two complex number containing real as well as the imaginary portion, then we'll get a resultant will be also contain real, perfectly real portion and imaginary portion. It means we can say capital Z, which is the addition of Z1, Z2, that capital Z, real portion of capital Z, this is equal to A plus C, and imaginary portion of capital Z is equal to B plus D. Same in the case of minus. Okay. Subtractions. Theory क्या हुई? Theory हुई when we add two imaginary number, when we add two complex number, then result what we obtain will also have real portion and as well as complex portion. Okay. Now, subtractions. Same we are going to subtract. If we are going to subtract, it means Z1 minus Z2 is to be obtained. Z1, that is further the subtraction is equal to capital Z is equal to Z1 minus Z2. Z1 minus Z2, that it means this is equal to A plus BI minus C plus DI. That is A minus C plus B minus D into I. It means we can say, and that उस केस में क्या था, and that case the addition of the two complex number, the result will have the addition of the real portion of the individual complex number will be the addition will be the real portion of the result. दोनों कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर का जो रियल पोर्शन है उनका एडिशन ही रिजल्टेंट का एडिशन रियल नंबर होगा, और दोनों पोर्शन के जो इमेजिनरी पोर्शन है उनकी एडिशन ही रिजल्टेंट की इमेजिनरी पोर्शन होगा. ठीक है, ये देखिए. ठीक है, अच्छा, अब यहाँ पे क्या है, ये आया. इट मीन्स दिस इज द real portion of the difference. This is the real portion of the imaginary portion of the difference. And we can say that if we subtract a complex number from the another, the resultant will have the real number, real portion as well as imaginary portion. Real portion will be the difference of their real number, and imaginary portion will be the difference of their imaginary portion. Clear? Because this is the real number of the first, real number of the second term, imaginary portion of the first, imaginary portion of the second number, and this is the result. तो दो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर का सब्सट्रैक्शन जब किया जाता है तो जो रिजल्ट मिलता है उसका जो रियल पोर्शन होता है उनके रियल पोर्शन का डिफरेंस होता है, और जो इमेजिनरी पोर्शन होता है उनके इमेजिनरी पोर्शन का डिफरेंस होता है. और वी कैन से दैट Z, which is the resultant of the subtraction, in Z, real portion of Z will be the equal to the difference of the real number of the individual Z1, Z2, and imaginary portion of Z will be the difference of the imaginary portion of the Z1, Z2. In the case of addition, real portion of the resultant will be the addition of the real portion of the individual, and imaginary portion of the resultant will be the addition of the imaginary portion. But this is the theory. Now we are going to get multiplications of the complex number. Clear होगी बात? Multiplication of the complex number. मल्टीप्लिकेशन में थोड़ा सा चेंज आएगा. क्या आएगा? क्योंकि वहां पर i का मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा और उसमें i स्क्वायर आएगा. ये याद रखिए. दिस इज टू बी in your mind that if I is equal to root of -1, then I square, this will be equal to root of -1 into root of -1. It will be equal to -1, not equal to 1. ये ध्यान रखिए, ये आपको याद रखना है. root 1 will not get multiplied and will get single one. नहीं, it will be equal to -1. Okay. Now, Z1 was the first term equal to A plus BI, real portion and imaginary portion. Z2 is another term, another complex number containing real portion B, C and imaginary portion D into I. Okay, now we are going to multiply. It is Z1 into Z2. Okay, we'll get another number of z. What will be the type of this z? We'll see here. This will be equal to a plus b into I into c plus d into I. Okay, इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया a into c, correct, a plus a into d into I, okay, plus b into c into I plus b into d into I square. Now here is to be attention to be paid. यहाँ पे आपको ध्यान रखना है. What we have to see, क्या हमें देखना है? This is AC without imaginary. This is real portion. This contains I. It means this is imaginary portion. I can be taken as a common AD plus BC. Okay. I. This is I square. I square is equal to -1. This will be BD. Now it become totally real portion. I square आते ही इमेजिनरी से वो रियल बन जाता है. ओके, वास्तविक से काल्पनिक, काल्पनिक से वास्तविक बन जाता है. इंग्लिश में उसको रियल नंबर कहते हैं, हिंदी में वास्तविक, इंग्लिश में कॉम्प्लेक्स इमेजिनरी कहते हैं, तो हिंदी में काल्पनिक कहते हैं. ओके, तो ये वाला पोर्शन इधर आ जाएगा ए सी minus BD. This is the portion totally real, and imaginary portion of this will be AD plus EC. ये कैपिटल Z है. इसको हम कह सकते हैं what is this? That real portion of capital Z, which is the resultant of the product of Z1 Z2, is equal to AC minus BD. Okay. And this imaginary portion of capital Z, which is the product of two complex numbers Z1 Z2, will be equal to AD plus BI or BC. Okay, bas. Now third and last, this is fourth and last, is division of two complex numbers. Division of two complex number. In order to find the multiplication and division, you have to always keep in your mind that I square will be equal to -1, though I is equal to root of -1. I की value, simple I की value with single power, without any power, I is equal to root of -1. But it doesn't mean that I square will be equal to 1. I square will be -1 without root. Okay, मीन्स ये है कि देखिए ऐसा हुआ कि I is equal to -1 root, then another I is equal to -1 root. I square हो गया तो इसका रूट हट गया, -1 रह गया. -1 पे दो रूट, एक रूट लगा था, -1 हट गया और रूट हट गया तो -1. I square is equal to -1. ओके, ये आपको हमेशा याद रखना है. अब इसको मिटा देते हैं. दिस इज ऑफ नो यूज. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड द फॉर्मूला फॉर द डिवीजन ऑफ टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर. दो मिश्र नंबरों के डिवीजन में क्या होता है. Z1 और Z2 फिर से हम देखेंगे. Z1 हमने क्या माना था, A प्लस, शुरू से चले आ रहे हैं, Z1 is equal to A plus BI and Z2 is equal to C plus DI. डिवाइड किया Z1 अपॉन Z2, कैपिटल Z मिल गया. दिस विल बी इक्वल टू A प्लस BI अपॉन C प्लस DI. Correct? Correct. Now we have to find the number, so that in order to remove denominator, we have to multiply both numerator as well as denominator by C minus DI upon C minus DI. क्योंकि हम नीचे वाला पोर्शन को रिमूव कर रहे हैं, इसलिए हमने c प्लस डी आई और c माइनस डी आई से ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर दिया. दिस विल बी इक्वल टू, नीचे what we will have in denominator, c square minus d square I square. Okay, d square I square. Okay, अब इसको आप ऊपर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. AC माइनस ADI प्लस BCI माइनस BDI स्क्वायर. अब I स्क्वायर दो जगह है हमारे पास. One is here, another is here. In two places we are having I square. I square is equal to minus 1. So that it can be written as AC minus ADI plus BCI plus BD. Okay? Because I square is equal to minus 1. This minus get multiplied with this minus equal to plus 1. Now C square minus D square I square. I square is further is equal to what? Minus 1. It means C plus D. Okay? Now इसको इमेजिनरी पोर्शन एक जगह इकट्ठा करते हैं, रियल पोर्शन एक जगह. AC रियल, BD रियल upon C square plus D square. This is totally real portion of the division plus imaginary portion is this. BC minus AD. BC common, I is common, upon C square plus D square. No. This is the real portion of the product of Z1, Z2. Capital Z. This is real portion of capital Z, which is the product of Z1, Z2, and this is the imaginary portion of capital Z which is the product of Z1 and Z2. This is the theory. Okay? I think आपको मजा आया होगा, कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ गया है. आगे इसके क्वेश्चंस भी आएंगे. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो. और जब कभी भी मेरा वीडियो देखें, प्लीज फ्रॉम बिगनिंग टू लास्ट देखा करें. कॉन्सेप्ट बिल्कुल क्लियर हो जाएगा आपको. थोड़े देसी तरीके हैं मेरे, लेकिन इवन दो इट इज वेरी परफेक्ट, सो दैट प्लीज यू कैन डू इट. इट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. Thanks for watching for watching my video, and please don't forget to give me like and subscribe. Okay, thank you. Good night. Good luck.